Here at Laserlines, we can now offer a complete metal 3D printing solution for the dental industry with printer, software, powder and a full post-processing solution. We've also created some industry-specific parameters for the XM200G, various spot sizes as well as layer heights, making it ideal for lab technicians to use the system to produce the component parts. We can also offer 2 certified dental powders from Bego Medical. Utilising Octon dental software allows the whole system to be fully automated. Data preparation can be a lot quicker, allowing some customers to see time savings near up to 90%. Octon software allows for high density nesting. Smart report generation is also achievable using this software, allowing for accurate RPDs requiring much less post-processing than previous. Automated part classification is also available, all done within the software, so clinicians are not having to manually label individual parts on the bill volume.